The Sun is a star located at the center of our solar system. The Sun is about 4.6 billion years old. The diameter of the Sun is about 1.4 million kilometers. The Sun's surface temperature is about 5,500 degrees Celsius. The Sun's mass is about 330,000 times that of the Earth. The Sun's gravity is responsible for keeping the planets in orbit. The Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. The Moon is about 4.5 billion years old. The diameter of the Moon is about 1/4 that of the Earth. The Moon's gravity is responsible for causing the tides on Earth. The Moon's surface temperature ranges from -173 degrees Celsius to 127 degrees Celsius. The Moon is slowly moving away from the Earth at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. The International Space Station, ISS, is a habitable artificial satellite that orbits the Earth. The ISS is about the size of a football field. The ISS orbits the Earth at an altitude of about 408 kilometers. The ISS travels at a speed of about 28,000 kilometers per hour. The ISS is home to astronauts and cosmonauts from different countries who conduct scientific research. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy that contains our solar system. The Milky Way is about 100,000 light-years in diameter. The Milky Way contains between 100 and 400 billion stars. The Milky Way's central region contains a supermassive black hole. The Milky Way is part of a cluster of galaxies known as the Local Group. The Andromeda Galaxy is the closest galaxy to the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy is about 2.5 million light-years away from the Milky Way. The Andromeda Galaxy is about 220,000 light-years in diameter. The Andromeda Galaxy contains about 1 trillion stars. The Andromeda Galaxy is on a collision course with the Milky Way and is expected to collide in about 4 billion years. The Great Red Spot is a massive storm on Jupiter that has been raging for at least 400 years. The Great Red Spot is about 3 times the size of the Earth. Jupiter has the largest number of moons in the solar system, with 79 known moons. Ganymede, a moon of Jupiter, is the largest moon in the solar system. Saturn's rings are made up of ice particles, rock debris, and dust. Saturn's rings are about 280,000 kilometers in diameter but only about 20 meters thick. Uranus and Neptune are both known as ice giants because they contain large amounts of water, ammonia, and methane. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system, with a minimum temperature of -224 degrees Celsius. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, with wind speeds reaching up to 2,100 kilometers per hour. Pluto is a dwarf planet located in the Kuiper Belt, a region beyond Neptune that contains many small, icy objects. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006. The Kuiper Belt contains many objects that are thought to be remnants from the formation of the solar system. Halley's Comet is a short-period comet that orbits the Sun once every 76 years. Halley's Comet was last visible from Earth in 1986 and will next be visible in 2061. The Orion Nebula is a massive star-forming region located in the Milky Way. The Orion Nebula is about 1,344 light-years away from Earth. The Orion Nebula is visible to the naked eye and is a popular target for amateur astronomers. The Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant located in the constellation Taurus. The Crab Nebula was formed by a supernova explosion that was observed by Chinese and Japanese astronomers in 1054. The Crab Nebula emits radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to gamma rays. The Hubble Space Telescope is a space-based observatory that was launched into orbit in 1990. The Hubble Space Telescope has made many groundbreaking discoveries, including the age of the universe and the existence of dark energy. The Hubble Space Telescope has a 2.4-meter mirror and can observe objects up to 13.4 billion light-years away. The James Webb Space Telescope is a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope and is set to launch in 2021. The James Webb Space Telescope will have a 6.5-meter mirror and will be able to observe the first galaxies that formed in the universe. Black holes are objects with such strong gravitational fields that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. Black holes are formed when massive stars run out of fuel and collapse under their own gravity. Black holes can range in size from a few times the mass of the Sun to billions of times the mass of the Sun. The Event Horizon Telescope is a network of observatories that captured the first image of a black hole in 2019. The image of the black hole shows a bright ring of gas and dust surrounding a dark region called the event horizon. Gravitational waves are ripples in the fabric of spacetime caused by the acceleration of massive objects. Gravitational waves were predicted by Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity and were detected for the first time in 2015. The Laser Interferometer Gravitational Wave Observatory, LIGO, is a network of detectors that detected the first gravitational waves. The discovery of gravitational waves has opened up a new way to study the universe and has confirmed many predictions of general relativity. The Kuiper Belt is a region of the Solar System beyond Neptune that contains many small, icy objects, including Pluto. The Kuiper Belt is thought to be the source of many short-period comets. Comets are small, icy bodies that orbit the Sun and develop a bright, glowing tail when they get close to the Sun. The Oort cloud is a hypothetical cloud of icy objects that is thought to surround the Solar System at a distance of up to 100,000 astronomical units, (O). The Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft were launched in 1977 and have explored the outer reaches of the Solar System. Voyager 1 is the farthest man-made object from Earth and has entered interstellar space. The Sun is a massive, hot ball of gas that is the center of the Solar System. The Sun has a diameter of about 1.39 million kilometers and accounts for more than 99% of the mass of the Solar System. The Sun produces energy through nuclear fusion, in which hydrogen atoms are fused together to form helium. Solar flares are powerful eruptions of energy from the Sun's surface that can cause auroras and disrupt communications on Earth. Auroras, also known as the northern and southern lights, are colorful displays of light in the Earth's atmosphere caused by solar particles interacting with the Earth's magnetic field. The International Space Station, ISS, is a habitable artificial satellite in low Earth orbit that is used for scientific research and space exploration. The ISS orbits the Earth at an altitude of about 400 kilometers and completes an orbit every 90 minutes. The ISS has been continuously inhabited by humans since November 2000. The Great Red Spot is a giant storm on Jupiter that has been observed for more than 300 years. The Great Red Spot is about twice the size of Earth and is shrinking over time. Saturn's rings are made up of ice particles ranging in size from tiny dust grains to large boulders. Saturn's rings are thought to be the remnants of a moon or other small body that was destroyed by Saturn's gravity. Neptune's moon Triton is the only large moon in the Solar System that orbits in the opposite direction of its planet's rotation. The Martian day, or Sol, is about 24 hours and 39 minutes long. The tallest mountain in the Solar System is Olympus Mons, a shield volcano on Mars that is about 22 kilometers high. The Valles Marineris on Mars is the largest canyon in the Solar System, measuring about 4,000 kilometers long and up to 7 kilometers deep. Io, one of Jupiter's moons, is the most volcanically active object in the Solar System, with over 400 active volcanoes. Enceladus, a moon of Saturn, has geysers that erupt from its south pole and spray water and other materials into space. The dwarf planet Ceres is the largest object in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter and is thought to contain a large amount of water ice. The asteroid Apophis will make a close approach to Earth in 2029, but is not expected to hit the Earth. The Helix Nebula is a planetary nebula located in the constellation Aquarius that is about 700 light-years away from Earth. The Helix Nebula is also known as the Eye of God, because of its distinctive shape. The Pillars of Creation are a series of columns of gas and dust in the Eagle Nebula that are undergoing star formation. The Pillars. The Crab Nebula is a supernova remnant located in the constellation Taurus that was first observed by Chinese astronomers in 1054 AD. The Crab Nebula emits radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, from radio waves to gamma rays. The Hubble Space Telescope is a large telescope in orbit around the Earth that has made many important discoveries about the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990 and is still in operation today. The James Webb Space Telescope is a successor to the Hubble Space Telescope that is scheduled to launch in 2021. The James Webb Space Telescope will be able to observe the universe in the infrared spectrum and is expected to make many important discoveries about the early universe. The Event Horizon Telescope is a network of telescopes that captured the first image of a black hole in 2019. The black hole in the center of the galaxy M87 has a mass of about 6.5 billion times that of the Sun. Dark matter is a type of matter that is thought to make up about 85% of the matter in the universe. Dark energy is a mysterious force that is causing the expansion of the universe to accelerate. The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing scientific explanation for the origin of the universe. The universe is estimated to be about 13.8 billion years old. The observable universe is estimated to contain between 100 billion and 200 billion galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy, which contains our solar system, is estimated to contain between 100 billion and 400 billion stars. The universe is expanding at a rate of about 73 kilometers per second per megaparsec. The cosmic microwave background radiation is the afterglow of the Big Bang and is a key piece of evidence for the Big Bang Theory. The first stars in the universe were likely formed about 100 million years after the Big Bang. The largest known structure in the universe is the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a cluster of galaxies that is about 10 billion light-years away from Earth. The universe is thought to contain a large number of exoplanets, or planets orbiting stars other than the Sun. The search for extraterrestrial life is a major area of research in astronomy and astrobiology.